Alright, so ayan, meron tayong mga bisita from all over the world. Pinoy.
$1,000.
So, nasa Vegas kami ngayon. Mga cousin ko from New York, Canada, Ireland, Philippines. Kasi kinasal yung kapatid ko. So, ngayon magtutour kami. Sila lahat. Nagkaroon kami ng 15-seater van. So, saktong-sakto 15 kami. Actually, yung kapatid ko nasa isang car. Ngayon, kakain muna kami sa Kusina del Rey. Alam niyo naman ang Pinoy, mahilig sa all you can eat. Pakita namin sa inyo. Okay, so we are here now sa Kusina ni Lorel. She's very picky. Hindi katulad ng puti natin dati. You're not dumb? Huh? You're dumb? Ito po, taga-Ireland. Ayan. Ito naman, kaya taga-Canada. One is from New York. Ito naman yung mga taga-Canada.
Ibig sabihin pa kinukuha ko eh.
Ito taga Philippines. Tora. Yung mami ko taga LA. Tapos daming options. So what you do is like you grab little bowls and then try whatever. Those are beef, chocolate meat, and fish. Alright, so ito ang mga una kong titikman. Kaming option. So, hindi kayo pwede mag-diet kung nandito kayo. Yan, dinuguan, pakbe, miswa. May nakita pa ako mga pusit-pusit dun eh. Paborito kong papain. Actually, hindi ko na inabutan yung mga ano, yung mga kapatid ko inabutan nila yung mga tosilog, yung mga pang breakfast. I think this one is now brunch. More of lunch food na. Meron pa rin ba? Okay, hindi ko na nakita. So, yun, meron sila. Titigman ko na lang. Ang sarap ng papain nila. Itong pakbet. So may mga options naman kung ano kayo. May isda, may pusit. So ano ayaw nyo ng mga prito. So Serena got scared and she said that, you know, she doesn't want to waste money kung konti lang kakainin niya. So she just got chicken wrap. Chicken wrap, I guess, on the other side. Pero ito yung mga susunod ko. Pusit, tuyo, sinigang, munggo, tapos mga dessert na.
Before and after.
Okay, ayan, busog na. So, 1 hour kami kumain, 30 minutes na girl. Punta na kami sa Hoover Dam naman. Wait, why is Serenity here?
Napulot.
What? Are we gonna take her? Yep, so I can write on Serenity's face. I thought it was a long way up, but it's not. There's a stairs on the side and then it goes around. This is like for the wheelchair. So it's accessible even for disabled people. Hinihingal na ho siya. Si Ate Gay. Babe mo na. Yossi. This is a nice painting right here. You see that? Umangin pa po sana. So when you lift up your shirt, your sweater. Grabe, sobrang lakas ng hangin, tatakay. Yeah, I'm getting my hair fixed right now. Damn, my wig coming out. So it's very windy. People are like holding on. Like I've seen people hat like flies away. Their shades. Some phone will fall. So just be careful. The sacrifice. Okay, so this first stop was the bridge, and it's showing us the view of the actual dam. But we are now gonna actually drive to the dam itself. Was it there before?
No, because it's always traffic here. This is the original road.
Okay. So no wonder I didn't see it before. It's new. So now they said that it's causing a lot of traffic.
Sa kabilang side is 2, 3.
Oh, okay. So
But
this is
the side
a border of Nevada, and then the second one will be Arizona. So right now we are in Nevada.
Time difference
And there's a time difference, he said. So right now it's 2:20 here, and then in Arizona it's already 3:20. Here's the other side. Here's the other view. It's cool, huh? Yeah. Are you ready?